Hey guys, wait. No, go burn neck me. Hey guys. Making ramen. Oh. First, guys, water. Oh, my mom put it right there. Turn on high. Oh yeah, and egg if you like. Yeah. Put this in that. Okay, no, I don't like it. I like when it's look like this. So, this is all. This is the ingredient. The next, chopstick. Okay. Can, okay. Well, let's start bubbling. You need chopstick. So you can mix. So, this is the items if you need. Boiling hot water. Fire. Noodles. Ramen. Daemen. Egg. This is egg. Yeah. And chopstick. You need to mix this. Okay. The time is 5:39. So you better wait until 5 minutes after. Okay. See? Let's see my brother, he's the creator of the Pro Bros, right? Right? Yeah, he couldn't answer. He's dumb. Anyways, ramen. It's the old South Korean famous noodle. See? Where's it says they're made in US? Yep, there it is. It's made in USA. What's the direction? Okay. I don't want to read the ingredient on board. Okay. Yeah. Okay. While it's start boiling, you need to get ready. Like, in the camera looks yellow. It's dried. Okay. They made it into dry spot. Sorry. Can you see? It's all stuck together. Everybody eats like this. The soup base. I need to shake it. Oh, wait. So, see? Okay. Not everyone has everything like this. Start boiling. No. And while it's boiling, better wait. So, right now it's 5:52. Okay. Okay. You need to get ready for this. This is need to be cracked after soup base is in. Tell me if it's getting ready. Base. This is. Wait a minute. Wait, let me do it without this. Okay, let me put the egg. Just wait a bit.
I'll just tell you.
I'll tell about my history. Oh my god! Oh, I'm not seeing this. So, anyways,
Now
so you're the creator of Pro Bros, right?
No, do a little bit up.
Okay,
Because
thanks. Okay. Okay. So, this is how you make ramen. Oh my. Wait, I need to get some cold water on it. Forgotten about me. God, it burned my nail. Wait.